How to enable system fonts in Encode. If you have been using the Encode application and wondering on how to add the system fonts on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to enable the system fonts, tap onto settings at the top right corner, select it. Then here you can find the system font size right here. Now it is turned off. Now to enable it, simply tap onto this button, just like this. And now you can see the font size has been changed to the system one. And that's it. This is how you can enable system fonts into the Encode application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.